So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So today's hot opportunities comes from the none other than the JP Morgan Chase, which is one of the world's leading financial institutions. So they are hiring for the role of data science analyst in Bengaluru, and yes, freshers are eligible for this particular role. So if you are a data enthusiast with Python skills and a passionate of AI/ML, then this could be the break you have been waiting for. Before diving into details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes, for daily job updates and career tips, and also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once you upload a new video. So now let's dive into this wonderful opportunity at JP Morgan Chase. So as you can see, the job is of a data science analyst and it's based out of Bengaluru and it's a full-time hybrid opportunity. So what is all about this job? So let's first understand the responsibility section, like what you will be doing at Morgan Chase as data science analyst. So you'll be basically involved into researching and analyzing data for business intelligence, supporting automation and digitalization efforts, working on NLP and LLM technologies, along with collaborating with stakeholders across the functions. You will also be involved into troubleshooting and enhancing low-code, no-code solutions utilizing tools like Python, Pega, Alteryx, Excel, and many more. So these are some of the responsibilities that you will be performing once you join JP Morgan Chase as data science analyst, basically into data as a data science profile. So who and all can apply for this particular role? So basically, let's discuss the eligibility criteria for this particular role. So as you can see, they have mentioned two things, which is required qualifications and preferred qualifications. So minimum qualification required is freshers are eligible actually, and professionals also up to 2 years of experience. And engineering background or equivalent degree you should have, like BTech in computer science or related field. Python programming language up to intermediate level you should know, plus Pega workflow if you have, then again fine. Alteryx experience is required, which is again a BI tool, and along with the strong grasp of AI ML fundamental. So you must have the fundamental concepts of knowledge of machine learning and artificial intelligence concepts. And along with the knowledge of Microsoft Excel, you must be comfortable working with Excel medium to advanced again, and PowerPoint, Visio, all that things. Bonus skill is that if you have mastered it in computer science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, then you will be given preferential in this role. Even if you don't have, you can still eligible on bachelor degree, but you must have the skill sets on Python, machine learning, and all that, Alteryx, that is given Excel. So check once before applying and try to take some key points and add it in your resume so that the chances will increase, or chances of getting shortlisted will increase. So this was all about the qualifications, and now let's discuss the company, about the company. So JP Morgan Chase isn't just another company. They are the global leader in banking and finance with over 200 years of legacy. Their commercial investment bank team is behind some of the most complex and impactful financial operations worldwide. So if you are looking for a stable, prestigious, and innovative company, then this is it. And yeah, then how you can apply? Just head to the direct link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job and apply as soon as possible before it ends. And yeah, this was all about the wonderful opportunity we have been looking for. So don't wait, go and apply today. And that's a wrap up for this particular job. And if you're ready to work with cutting edge tools in data science and want to be a part of one of the top global banks, then don't miss this role at JP Morgan Chase. Comment below if you want to resume tips or mock interview questions tailored for this role. And also don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, because we are bringing three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications whenever we are uploading the video, and share this video with your friends and colleagues or whoever is interested and whoever you think is fit for this data science profile. And also join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities channels where we are posting 5 to 10 jobs daily. So consider joining the groups, because we are trying our best to bring freshers or up to 2 years of experience to more and more jobs in the groups and channels. So be active there and try keep applying. And yeah, that's it all about these opportunities. uh, we I hope you will get this job, and I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next